Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and we're going to look at Unit 2, Lesson 8 today, Order of Operations. Okay, first off, we need to know what a numerical expression is. An expression it's an expression that contains only numbers and operations. So here's some examples. So 5 times 4 plus 7, 20 divided by 4 plus 3, 2 plus 9 minus 3 in parentheses. Okay. Order of operations. There's some rules you have to follow. First off, we always do the parentheses or the grouping symbol. So parentheses, brackets, that kind of stuff. After the parentheses are done, we go on to the exponents. After the exponents are done, we go to multiplication and division. Now, multiplication and division are like mom and dad. They're both equal, right? You listen to mom and dad the same. But their rule is whoever comes first on the left goes first. So left to right. Then you come down here, right? Addition and subtraction are partners also. It's like your aunt and your uncle, okay? These two are the same. But again, it's left to right, whoever comes first. All right, let's put this into practicing in just a moment. First, I want to show you some grouping symbols. First off, we call this thing right here a parentheses. Then you have this symbol, which is a division bar. And then this symbol is what we call a bracket. Those are the three types you'll probably see in this grade level. As you get older, you'll see some other ones. Okay, let's look at this one. So if we're looking at our order of operations, it says parentheses comes first. So I'm going to go 3 plus 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take down everything I didn't use, 2 times 7. I brought the 7 in the parentheses and minus 6. Now, the next thing, multiplication comes before subtraction. Okay, it's more important than subtraction. So we're going to say 2 times 7 is 14 minus 6, which gives us our answer of 8. Great job. All right, let's practice. So here I have subtraction and I have multiplication. Well, according to order of operations, I have parentheses. Nope, none there. I have exponents. Nope, none there. I have multiplication or division. I do have multiplication. So I'm going to say 3 times 4 is 12. Now I can subtract 19 minus 12 is 7. If you don't go in the right order according to these steps, you're going to get a number that isn't correct. Because if I'd have done this instead, 19 minus 3 is 16 times 4 would not have gotten me 7. All right, so here we have a division bar. And when we have a division bar, we have to solve what's on top and solve what's on bottom before we can divide. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is go 18 plus 6 is 12. And there's our division bar. Then we're going to have to go 5 minus 1 is 4. And now we can solve 12 divided by 4 is 3. Great job. All right, you try. Go ahead and pause this video right now and try this first one and then come back and see me. Don't do the second one, just do the first one. All right, so you should have completed this stuff in the brackets first. So it should have been 25 plus 7 squared, okay, equals, then you should have done the exponent. 7 to the second power is 7 times 7, which is 49. So then you got 25 plus 49 equals 74. Okay, now pause this video again and try this one. Now notice 30 minus 28 divided by 4 times 2. Think this one through. Remember, multiplication and division are the same, left to right. Okay, you should have divided first. So you should have said 30 minus 20 divided by 4 is 7 times 2. Now, here you should have said multiplication is more important than subtraction. So 30 minus 14, that should have gotten you 16. Great job. You are done with Unit 2, Lesson 8. Go ahead and head back to class craft to do your practice.